Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now you need to select one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and tap on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!